give up singing from vexation at the slanderers, but love's force holds me back and does not let me turn elsewhere. I am so much the flower of true lovers, thus love holds me captive and in the bridle, so that I remember nothing else but to serve her daily. For so I think loyal lovers do. So I am truly mad not to restrain myself from loving her, which seems folly to me, since no other good comes to me from it, but rather I see my pain grow daily. For she has made her dwelling in me alone. By my faith I tell you it goes better for me that I should suffer my harm forever for her. Even if she doesn't care, then another should give me her love as a bargain. Should come to me from it, for he who can love better than well rightfully receives praise for it. And my lady, I love know well that I do nothing wrong toward her, except that I humbly cry her mercy to give me what is most dear to my heart. Perhaps she will take that as wrong. She speaks to me or sees me, the radiance of her beautiful eyes leaps to my heart, and from her sweet breath the taste comes to me mixed, so that sweetness is born in my mouth. Thus I believe and know that the good I speak of her does not come from me, but comes from her natural love that has taken lodging in my heart. And since this joy sustains me, if she would do me the favor of deigning to keep me with her, see if I would not be among the happiest, for her rich worth and her valor revive me completely and sustain me. And if she only had the 1,000th part of the mortal and painful suffering, we would share it equally. But still I will cry mercy to her for the harm she does me and the pain, since I see